Hello everyone, it's Vlogmas Day 12. Ooh, I decided to take my hair out of the ponytail because I felt like that was contributing to the headache that I was having. And it's a lot of hair. My hair's getting pretty long. Welcome to more behind the scenes of 12 Covers of Christmas. No, that's too slidey. It's making a camera shake. Oh, still making a camera shake. That has a lot of echo. How to make this work? I think we found the right surface. Actually, out here on the kitchen table, on this like bamboo-y, woody mat type thing, is actually where it sounds the best. Yay! Oi, we got it! By George, I think we got it! Don't know why I did that accent. Don't know why I'm still doing it. Ooh, I'm showing you the title. I keep doing this. Is it hidden? Is it hidden? Yes, it's hidden. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a banger. I can't show you much, but I can show you this. That's all you get. Oh my gosh. You guys, this cover I'm working on sounds so good. I'm so proud of it. Like, not to be conceited, I just like, I know when things are good and when things are bad. Like, you have, like, I'm not an idiot. I have musical taste. And I know when things are good and when things are bad. And this is really good and I'm really proud of it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I forgot to end the vlog again, but basically all I did was work on that yesterday, and guys, the harmonies though. I'll be like fifth harmony up in this. Oh my god. Anyways, today we're shooting the video for it, so stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog if you want to see the behind the scenes of that. And thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy.